Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing sweet chili chicken. Stick around.
Alright, in a hot pan, we're going to put a little bit of vegetable oil in there. To get this screaming, and we're going to add our chicken in, skin side down. Just like that. Give our hands a little wash. And then we're going to season this other side. We're just seasoning with a little salt right now. And of course, a little MSG. And you season to your liking. We're gonna let this brown. All right, looking good. All right, I let that go for about 3 or 4 minutes on the east side, just to get a good brown on them. And I'm gonna put this chili sauce on here. I got that back piece, didn't want it to go to waste. And I'm gonna get both sides of this. Get us the gloves on, get it a good rub, get it all in there. Make this nice and sticky. We ain't gonna worry about this piece so much. Looks good. Now I'm gonna cover this at 375. We're gonna go about 25 minutes in the oven. All right, end results. Chicken looks and smells delicious. I'm trying to let it cool off so I can bite in. Because I need it. This is my dinner. But if you like this one, give me a thumbs up. Tell a friend about me. Subscribe if you haven't. And we'll see you on the next one.